No warning signs as it stands for BTC through here. The hourly, we're going to start looking at like div structures. We know that, like, typically speaking, div structures are best to avoid during these conditions. We know that lower time frame divergences tend to be weak on the bearish side, and if you are concerned about them, then it should only represent opportunity for longing. From my perspective here, like, any concerns about this being an hourly div may be true, may turn into a divergence, but again, we would only really be interested in taking a long position, not shorting into this. Reason being is that the short side setup has a huge amount of failure points, and we really don't want to be, kind of like mixing on that side of things.